Alright, today we're going to take a look at an interesting little Zippo right down here. Now this one came with a protective sleeve and it is labeled as Leaf Design Laser. So there is the normal Zippo black box. And it's also labeled Leaf Design Laser, and it's got the California cancer warning on it. So here is what they've been putting out. They've been putting out quite a few of these new designs since the Wacky tobacco is getting legalized in a few states. That is the Leaf Design. It's on a matte green finish, and it was made in, looks like F of 18. That's June or July of this year. Now this one came with the standard steel insert, but I put a butane insert in with it. And this one is the Top Z Blazer dual flame butane insert. It's got two flames. Now I've had this insert in my safe for well over a year and I have not filled it up since I put it in there. That butane is still working. Still got quite a bit in it. There's a dual flame butane insert in the Wacky tobacco Zippo lighter. It's a nice one. I'm going to attempt to do a drop test on this. This does not stay on, so I'm going to have to replace this. This insert just comes out real easy. I'm going to see if I can find a regular. I got the regular Zippo steel insert. I'm going to use that. So that one fires up nice. Let's do a drop test on this Zippo Leaf Design. Like I said before, Zippo has been coming out with, they must have a dozen of the Leaf Design lighters for the medical and recreational marijuana that's becoming available in a few states. Not my state. But let's do a drop test on this thing. So the Leaf Design passes the drop test. And that definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump. Peace sign.